This is Monster Truck Classics, and here is the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks, the mini trucks as I call them. Each box includes a launcher, a die-cast truck, and 2 stickers. And this is in Series 2, and you'll see why very shortly. Here's the other trucks on the package. We have Hot Roller, Bigfoot, and then Hot Wheels Racing number 3, it looks like, Tiger Shark, Zombie Rex, Hot Roller Toxic, Barja Buster, Abyss Mail, it looks like. I might have not have said that correctly, but the reason why I got this was, here it is, N18/10. Can you see that? Hopefully. Because, yes indeed, Bigfoot. I was able to get Bigfoot. That's why I wanted to get this and add it to my collection. The smallest Hot Wheels version of Bigfoot. Finally was able to get it. I really enjoyed the white wheels that they did in the old school Bigfoot. Maybe there'll be more Bigfoots coming out later on in this mini series of the trucks. Not sure. Enjoy the Bigfoot on the side, the truck. It says Firestone Hot Wheels. It looks like it has the Monster Truck Lives sticker on the truck on the back, and I believe Summit Racing. It has the motor sticking out in the front. It has Bigfoot. You can very barely see it, but it says Bigfoot right there on the front of the truck. Here's the other side, and then the back is just pretty much plain. So here's the key, and then the 2 stickers. Let's bring it out. Here's the 2 stickers. It says Hot Wheels Monster Trucks, and then the other one has Bigfoot. So that's pretty cool. So put the key in the back of the truck, like so, and these things will go a pretty quick distance, so let's go ahead, fire it away. There we go. I think this was in like 1998, maybe 1999, but here is Bigfoot with the blue version racing. Pretty cool. Bigfoot Racing Team on the back. And these kind of had awkward big wheels on them. The bodies are very, very small, which reminds me of, you know, the Micro Machines. Let's bring in here another one so you can see. This is Firestone Wilderness, if you remember. There you go. And then here's another Bigfoot, a red version of Bigfoot. So nice to have these in my collection, pretty cool. And then also the watch out, Snakebite is slithering in here. Here's the side of the truck so you can see some of the detail on the truck. And yeah, the eye of Snakebite isn't red, it's just mostly green, and the fangs are green also. Would have liked them to be white, but I mean, these trucks are so small that it's probably very hard to get any kind of detail on them. But there you go, very cool. Some old school Bigfoot kind of micro trucks, and then the Hot Wheels version. And you can see here, look at this, you can see this, the size of the truck also. Hopefully you enjoyed this short review of Bigfoot.